Today we're going to do an experiment. We're going to show how acid can weaken teeth over time. Acid is found in a lot of things that we like to eat, like soda and junk food, but when our teeth are exposed to too much acid, they become really weak and they're more likely to have cavities. So today we're going to use our hard-boiled egg, right here, to represent our teeth. Eggs are covered with shells that protect them, just like our teeth are covered with enamel. Enamel is a thin, tough shell on our teeth, and it's actually the hardest tissue in our body. But when we eat or drink things that are too acidic, the enamel gets damaged. Vinegar is very acidic, so we're going to use vinegar to demonstrate what happens when we have acidic drinks. So to do this experiment, we need 3 materials. The first thing we need is a plastic cup, which is right here. We're going to need a hard-boiled egg, and then we're going to need some vinegar, which we have right here. So first, we're going to take our hard-boiled egg and place it inside of our plastic cup. The next thing we're going to do is fill the cup with vinegar until the egg is covered. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cover the top of our cup. Now we're just going to let our egg sit in the vinegar for 2 days, and then after 2 days we're going to come back, we're going to pour out our vinegar, and we'll see what happens to our egg. Alright, so we're back after 2 days. Our egg has been sitting in the vinegar here for 2 days, and now we're going to pour out the vinegar and we'll see what happened to our egg. So I'm just going to pour out the vinegar into this cup, but if you guys want you can pour it down the sink as well. Now that I got most of it out, I'm just going to dump the egg into a separate container to make it a little easier to look at. Alright, so now that my egg is in here, you can see that it's turned into a really squishy texture. The shell that was on top of the egg is pretty much completely gone. The egg is soft and squishy because the acid in the vinegar eats away at the eggshell. So you can see here that this part that wasn't covered by the vinegar still has the eggshell on it, but the rest of the egg doesn't. The egg is unprotected now and it can be easily hurt, and it's the same thing that happens to our teeth when we eat foods that have a lot of acid. The acid eats away at the enamel and then our teeth become unprotected and can be hurt very easily. So what can we do to stop that? We can make sure to take care of our teeth by making sure to not eat too much candy, soda, and junk food. All of these things have a lot of acid. We can also brush and floss our teeth to help protect our enamel, and hopefully that will keep our enamel in shape.